Hey class, I wanted to make this video to help you to become better writers. These two websites, dictionary.com and thesaurus.com, will come in quite handy when you're writing your journal entries, when you're writing stories, and when you're writing to respond to literature, like answering questions or discussions. So, let me give you a little tour of what these websites will do. So first of all, with dictionary.com, right here, you are looking for a definition or synonym to a word, like the word small, for instance. You type in the word small and you click on the magnifying glass and it brings you to the word small. Now, it'll allow you to click on this and it will speak to you.
Small.
And it will also provide you with a pronunciation key. It will also give you synonyms to the words, examples of the words, or tell you where the word came from in history. It gives you the part of speech. It also gives you the word with suffixes added, such as ER and EST. It gives you 3 definitions, and it even gives you a short example of how to use each word with the definition. If you scroll down just a little bit, you can get more information about the word. But I think one of the most important things is to click on synonym, and it will take you to synonyms of small. It says see more synonyms on thesaurus.com. Well, we're going to do that, but for right now, I want you to see what it gives you. It gives you 2 or 3 different synonyms for the word small. For instance, tiny or little or slight. Another thing that it does is give you antonyms to the word small, like large and big. So first of all, I want to remind you that a synonym is a word that means the same. And you can remember that because synonym starts with an S. And antonym means the anti of the word or the opposite of the word. So opposite, large or big. Now, let's go back up and go to thesaurus.com with the same word. So if we go to thesaurus.com and we type in the word small, let me type it and actually spell it right, and either hit the enter key or hit the magnifying glass, and it should take you to several words that mean the same thing as small. First of all, you can see that it gives you different meanings of the word so that you can choose the one you're looking for. Do you want small as in tiny or quantity, or do you want small as in unimportant, or small as in narrow-minded or nasty? It depends on which one you want. You just go ahead and click on the tab that you're looking for. I don't think that you need to worry about these 2 sorting options. But as you can see, so it gives you relevance to the word, which means, in other words, it gives you the word small and gives you plenty of synonyms to the word small. And here they all are. It gives you the most common to the least common used. If you like any of these words, feel free to click on them and it will take you to another list. Like for instance, I clicked on short and it gave me a whole bunch of synonyms to short. If I want to go back, I can click back and I'm back to the word small and all the synonyms for the word small. I can always highlight the word that I want, copy, and then paste it to choose a different word that I want to write. If I scroll down just a little bit, you can see that they've given me antonyms for the word small. Again, the darker ones are the most frequently used and the lighter ones are the least frequent used, but it gives me antonyms for the words. So this is a short tour of the use of dictionary.com and thesaurus.com. So I expect you guys to start using these 2. Good luck and thanks for watching.